Alright. Let's talk about NodeJS. NodeJS is an open-source JavaScript library for backend. Let's break it down. NodeJS. It is a JavaScript library built on the V8.js engine, which was developed by Google. It is free to use. Plus, it can run on any machine. Secondly, the uses. It creates a backend environment for the developer. Like using Node.js with Express, which is a minimal web framework for Node, we can perform many operations like these, simply. Collecting data from the front end, working on it and sending it back is the next useful thing in Node.js. We can create a complete RESTful API using Node.js. Database operations can be easily done through Node.js. Like, for Mongib, we can use an npm package called mongoose to perform the CRUD operations in Mongib. File handling is another gig in Node.js. It can create, open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. Let's talk about the perks of Node.js. It is an asynchronous process by default, which means it can handle many concurrent connections without blocking the execution of other code. npm, the Node Package Manager, is the greatest perk among others. We can install third-party packages for Node.js using npm. The availability of numerous modules and libraries through npm accelerates the development process. Next, it is so simple to develop a Node app, and it brings us an ecosystem in which we could rely on for doing many useful and complex things. Node.js, combined with Express, allows for rapid prototyping and development. Node provides a rich performance, so we could build a real-time application using it. It has greater community support all over the world, which is a large and active community of developers who contribute to its growth and support. And so, it still stands as a big competition till this day. At last, we can actually integrate our Node app with the leading front-end frameworks like React, Angular and Vue. So, as a final thought, it is good to study Node.js and use it for real-time applications, which we are going to start from the next video. So, subscribe and never miss a video. See you in the next video.